Did you know a king was murdered by his own brother during a hunting trip, and the killer became one of England's greatest rulers? On August 2nd, 1100, King William Rufus rode into New Forest with his brother Henry and nobleman Walter Tyrrell for what seemed like a normal royal hunt. The party spread out through the dense woodland, tracking deer in the summer heat. Then an arrow flew through the trees. It struck the king directly in the chest, killing him instantly. But here's where it gets suspicious. Henry didn't mourn his fallen brother or organize a proper burial. Instead, he abandoned William's bleeding corpse in a peasant's cart and raced straight to Winchester. Within hours, he had seized the royal treasury. 3 days later, Henry was crowned king. The speed was shocking, even for medieval politics. This was no hunting accident. It was a perfectly executed assassination that gave England one of its most effective rulers. Royal brothers literally stepped over corpses for power.